My name is Megan, and I will be your guide through the transformation that will unfold over the next days and weeks as we learn how to reconnect literally with the land beneath our feet. We'll do this primarily through a practice called intentional dreaming. Now, this is a practice that is as old as time, but has been largely forgotten in our modern world. And the practice is really simple, and all it involves is, before you go to bed, setting an intention, asking a question. And then while you sleep and as you dream, that intention will work through you, through your consciousness and through your body to provide you with information and answers and even just direct healings that are in direct relationship with your intention. So for this practice, our earth dreaming, we're going to take it a little bit further. We're going to work to seed our dreams with a little bit more intention, more layers of meaning. And we do this by making particular actions in our daily life. So for our earth dreaming practice, this could be as easy as, before you go to bed, going outside. So it doesn't matter where you live, if you live in the country, if you live in the middle of New York City, it doesn't matter. Before you go to bed, go outside and just notice, right? Breathe in the air, notice what the temperature is, notice what the wind feels like, notice the weather, notice the sounds, whatever they are. Notice all of the life around you, right? Whether that is trees or ocean or hills or buildings with pigeons and maybe a few beautiful weeds cracking up through the concrete. Just notice and be present and allow yourself to be connected with the animate world around you. Maybe notice if there are stars or clouds. Maybe notice the phase of the moon. So the first step is connection, deep connection in our daily life. The second thing to do is, before you go to bed, write down your intention. My advice for writing this intention down would be to literally, in your dream journal, write dreaming intention, to dream with, whatever that is. So in our case, it might be the living land. And then for, again, whatever you wish. In our case, it might be for an introduction. So very simple, dreaming intention, to dream with the living land for an introduction.